In today's video, I'm going to teach you go to your quiz. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add a true or false question to your quiz and save it confidently. First, open the quiz you want to edit. This takes you into the quiz workspace where all your questions live. Look for the button or link to add content to the quiz. Click Add Question, then choose Add, and select a new question. This brings up the question type selector, which is where you decide what kind of question you want to create. From the list of available question types, choose True, False. This format is perfect for quick checks of understanding or to reinforce key facts. After selecting it, click Next to move into the setup screen. You're now on the Add a True-False question page. Here, you'll fill in the essential details. Start with a clear, descriptive question name or title. This is mainly for your own organization, so make it something you'll recognize later, like photosynthesis statement or policy compliance check. Next, write the actual statement in the question text box, the sentence learners will evaluate as true or false. Keep it specific and unambiguous. If a statement feels vague, tighten the wording so there's only one reasonable interpretation. Set the default mark or point value to match how much this item should contribute to the quiz score. If there's a general feedback field, use it to explain the concept behind the correct answer. This helps learners learn from mistakes without giving away other quiz answers. Now, choose the correct answer by selecting either true or false. Take a moment to double-check that the statement you wrote aligns with the answer you're marking as correct. If you see options for feedback per response, consider adding short messages for both true and false selections, such as correct, because, or not quite. Remember that. These brief notes can turn a simple question into a useful learning moment. You may also see optional fields like question category, tags, or penalty settings. Use categories and tags to keep your question bank organized, and leave advanced settings alone if you're unsure. Before saving, quickly read the statement out loud and confirm the correct answer. Still makes sense. When everything looks good, save the question by clicking Save Changes. You'll be returned to your quiz overview with the new true-false question added and ready to use. If you need to tweak anything, you can always open the question again and edit it. That's it. You've successfully added a true-false question to your quiz.